I see a place where trash are gathered and I look at things thrown away and I feel as if there might still be values in these things and I go and extract them. As a child, welcome to my channel. My name is
Wow,
and I'm so glad to be here. I'm super excited to be here. This is officially my first video. Wow. So this is my very first video. I have been meaning to start up this channel, but I have been procrastinating like most human beings do. So I want to thank God because today I'm officially shooting this video. So as many that are watching, I'm very grateful. I'm glad to have you here. Please do share, like and subscribe, and thank you so much. So much. Please be part of this family. So today, what are we going to be talking about? Without further ado, let's go to the topic of today. I'm not going to talk about much. I'll just be talking about myself, a brief background of myself, and the history of my business. So firstly, I would like to talk about my background. Like I said, my name is Sonia Hansen. I said in the beginning of the video, I was born into the family of four, a family of 2 boys and 2 girls. I'm the first child of my family. I have a BSc economics, but you know how life be, shy. You know how Ninja be. No be waiting you study now you will ever become, except if God do one for you. So although I always wanted to be a fashion designer, but like I said, still in Nigeria, it's not necessarily what you study that determines what you're going to be. So social life, do I have social life? I have few hobbies. I love to sing, I love to draw. I do not have a social life. Before I go into that, I do not have much of a social life. I'm very introverted. I enjoy spending time with myself. I enjoy indoor activity. I love to sing, I love to write, sometimes I love to read, I love to present in my closet. I love to talk to myself. I love to pretend to act. I love to all those things that. So that's about me. And history of my name of my business is Sonia Claire Elegance, and it's a fashion brand that is into sewing of clothes for female, mostly female, not just mostly female, for just female, because I just know how to make for females, and that's my area of interest and expertise. Why fashion designing? Why fashion designing is because right from when I was an infant, I was a child, I had so much passion for creativity. I always found value in things that had no value. I was the type that will go and I might see a place where trash are gathered and I look at things thrown away and I feel as if there might still be values in these things and I go and extract them as a child though, and I'll bring it out and I'll look for the ones that I can bring value out of them. So, and from very little, I go to fashion stores, I go to tailoring shops to pick pieces. I formulate BM dolls and I make clothes for them and I wear them different styles. I was being fascinated by the act of fashion design, the act of creativity in general. I would make bags, I make shoes, I use pawpaw leaves and all that. So I was so fascinated by the whole act of fashion and design and creativity in general. So I always knew I was going to be a fashion designer in the future. And how it started